In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot and ChatGPT to create personalized marketing content faster and more efficiently. We'll start inside HubSpot by opening the audience or list you want to personalize for. This is important because strong personalization always begins with knowing exactly who you're speaking to. Instead of trying to write one generic message for everyone, you'll focus on a specific group so the content feels more relevant and useful. Next, take a moment to review the data you already have for that audience. Look at details like life cycle stage, industry, persona, or recent behavior. This information gives you the context needed to shape better messaging. For example, someone who is just discovering your business may need a different tone and offer than someone who is already considering a purchase. The better your customer data is organized, the easier it becomes to create content that actually connects. Once you've gathered that context, open ChatGPT and build a prompt using those customer details. Be clear about who the audience is, what stage they're in, and what kind of message you want to create. The quality of the output usually depends on how specific your prompt is, so it helps to give enough direction from the start. Then ask ChatGPT to generate personalized variations for the content you need, whether that's an email, a landing page, or sales copy. This step can save a huge amount of time because you're not starting from scratch every time. Instead, you're using AI to quickly produce multiple options tailored to different customer segments. To make the process even more efficient, avoid writing every version manually by creating repeatable prompt templates. This helps you stay consistent while also speeding up future campaigns. If you regularly personalize content for similar audiences, having a reusable structure can make your workflow much smoother. After that, review the AI generated content carefully to make sure it still sounds on brand. This step matters because AI can help with speed and variation, but your brand voice, tone, and messaging standards still need a human check. Read through everything and adjust any phrasing that feels off or too generic. Once you're happy with the content, add the personalized versions back into HubSpot. From there, you can place them into your emails, landing pages, or campaign assets wherever they belong. Finally, test the campaign and pay attention to performance. Use the results to improve your prompt over time. If certain messaging performs better, refine your prompt so future content gets even stronger. That way, you're not just using AI to move faster, you're also using it to get smarter with every campaign.